Howdy, and welcome to the Cartoon Quick Draw. I'm Mr. Dan, and today we're drawing a spaceship. The first thing I want to do is just draw a line that goes down the middle of the page. On the top of that, I'm going to draw a nice big domed shape. So what I want to do now is I'm going to start here at this point and I'm going to draw a nice big curved line that goes all the way around to that point. So I'm going to go down, around, pull it out, and then come back up to meet that point. On this bottom line, I'm going to draw a small half circle right underneath. And at the bottom of my half circle, I'm just going to draw 3 lines coming out and down. At the bottom of each point, I'm just going to draw a nice little horizontal line at the bottom. In this section of our ship, I'm going to add some lights by just drawing a few little circles at the bottom. Feel free to do as many as you like, make them as big as you like. It's your spaceship. So now my spaceship needs a driver, so let's put an alien right in here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start here at the bottom with a point, and I'm going to curve it up almost like a balloon and just bring it back down to that point. This will be our alien's head. What I'm going to do is close to the middle, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes up and out. And do the same thing on the other side, going the opposite way. Then I'm going to fill these in by connecting the points on each line and just coloring it in fully black. I'm going to give my alien a little smile by just adding a small U right there below the eyes. To draw his body, I'm just going to go a little above the point, and I'm going to draw 2 little lines going out, and I'm going to connect them into a point just below it. Then to finish the body, all I have to do is right here about the middle of the triangle line, I'm just going to draw a line down on both sides. And that's how you draw a spaceship.